To make your code to be readable or to be understood by other developers, you may need to write the comments for your code. For example, here, if like we want to specify what is the use of this method here, we may need to write a comment at the top. So to do that, we just write you just write two forward slashes, and then you can just give the description of you can just give a description of the main method of the main of the main the main method. So let's come here and then let's just import this. So here we can just give a description of the main method. So this is what's called a single line method. So this is what called a single line method. So if like you want to write a method for many lines, what like you need to do is that you can just say forward slash, and then you can say star star this, and then here in between here you can just write your method, your comment here. You can say your comment here, and then you can see that you can write it in many lines as you want. So you can write it as many lines as you want. So this is the single method, and then this is the single line comment, and then this is a multiple line comment. So great. So it is double forward slashes like this. So great. If we go to this, first we say save, and then we go to build and run. Let's see what will happen. So we are going to continue to see our program here, but the comment, it will not be run. It's just used for the other the developers, or for you to come and know what is the purpose of this method later on, when you are fixing your code. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.